Good morning. Still kind of grumpy. I'm told I'm grumpy in the mornings. Anyway, it's raining. And today I'm going to another place in Tweed. So, here, let me just have my coffee and I'll get back to you. Whew. This is the coldest I've been all day. Wow. It is 97 and super humid. But I'm in the truck. It's nice and, oh shoot, where's my phone? It's nice and cool, but I think I have to shut the truck off and go and find my phone so I can get to our next destination. Just once I wish I'd actually come in here without forgetting something. Oh, I tell you. Okay, so we're going to a little town called Marmora, Sterling. It's kind of the same area, and it's only like 30 minutes away, due east towards the RV dealership. So it's not very far. I don't know if they have power, so I should probably go get gas for the generator. I haven't touched the generator because I had power here. But something I noticed because I've been trying to figure out what's going on with the electrical system in my truck. It's not charging when I plug it in. My understanding has been that I would get charging from the plugging into shore power. How else would I charge it? If solar is the only way I can charge my batteries, then what happens when I don't have sun? You know, I have to rely on other alternate means to charge those batteries. So generators, that's the main reason I bought the generator. I mean, why have a generator if you can't use it, really? Okay, it's here somewhere. 1658. Oh, right here. This is it.
Destination is on your right.
Here we are. It's somebody's house. I'm staying at somebody's house. Interesting. Okay. Let's go say hello. Nobody seems to be answering. Hello? Hello? Okay, well, I think it's time to send a message, or I don't see a number on the door, but I see one out here by the mailbox. They got chickens here. Check it out. They say the big one here, his name's Darth. Hi, buddy. Hi. What you doing? Nice setup. There's got to be at least a dozen of them here. The main house over here. Tons of firewood. Ooh. I just found something cool. I want to go check it out. It's apparently North America's smallest jail. It was right here in this little town of Tweed, Ontario. Let's go see it. Looks like we just missed Tweed Fair, July 6th. Today's the 7th. So I got here a day too late. Oh well. Maybe next year. I'm not doing anything else on that day, so why not? So it's just down the road, this jail. I'm just waiting for these cars to go and I'll pull out. It's not always that easy to maneuver a rig like this in a small parking lot. So this is such a cute little town. I've been through here a few times, going back and forth for the camper and stuff, but never really had a chance to stop and, check it out. But this is cute. I think it's up here a bit. I'm just going to try and find a spot to park and then walk over. Okay, it's been a half an hour. The rain has let up a little bit. I'm going to run across there again and see if it's open. If not, I give up. All I'm going to say is I tried. I really do want to see the inside of this prison. I just think it'd be so cool. Anyway, let's go give it a shot. The rain has really cooled things off a lot. I kind of like that. Okay, I guess they're on lunch permanently or something. I'll try. It's been an hour. Well, no such luck, I guess. It's too bad. And look at how small this is. Oh, there's no back door. I really wanted to see the inside of this. I bet you it's only got like 2 cells or something. I don't know. It's so cute, eh? Oh well. Maybe some other time, I guess. Are you? Oh, awesome, awesome. I was just ready to leave, actually. But thank you, I appreciate it. How many cells? Just one cell.
So when it was a real jail, there used to be 3, but now it's just 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is cute. Oh, I see. You're supposed to put your face in there.
Yeah.
This is tiny. Is this the original desk?
I think so, yeah.
Oh my God. So this is back in the days of probably a sheriff.
Yeah.
Did they call them sheriffs here in Canada? I don't know.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is tiny. There's no question about that.
Very.
Oh, Billy the Kid. That's funny. You know what's really scary? I know all these wanted posters.
Yeah, I know.
Bonnie and Clyde, Billy the Kid. Oh my God. Wow. This is wild. 1908. People that were here. Wow. Bye-bye. Okay, that is cool. Oh, we got to see it finally after all. 1 cell. That is wild. All right, I'm happy. I got to see it. Things happen to those who wait, I guess. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go over to this place. The guy just texted me and said that the people that were working on his driveway are finished. I can come now. Looks like my rig got a little bit of a bath. It really needed it too. Oh my God, it was so dirty on the outside. Okay, that was cool. And that was tiny. I mean, we're literally talking like, what, 12 by 16? 3 cells. I can't even imagine that. I was just asking her, like, what do they do if they had to go to the bathroom? They don't even have a bed or anything. It's wild. Remind me never to break the law around here. It's crazy. Okay, it looks like we're gonna be like practically right on the lake, on a lake somewhere over here. That's very appealing to me. I gotta get a bathing suit, you know? It's gotta happen. There's just no way around it. I mean, I have bathing suits, of course. Like, I haven't, been living in a hole. It's just that I Well, and maybe I'll just wait till I lose the weight, because the weight's coming off really quick. Anyway, let me just check this. Uh-oh, did I just run a stop sign? Shoot, I think I did. You know what? I do vaguely remember this. It was like 30 years ago or so. I think I was here for we did a show. It was in a park. And I do remember this vaguely, very vaguely. I was on tour with a band called Blindside. And we were here in this area. I do remember that. But, you know, I was, how do I say it? Kind of inebriated in those days. A lot of musicians can't take, I couldn't take big crowds and stuff, so oftentimes I would take a little something to calm me down. Stage fright, all that stuff. I got over it eventually, but it was pretty rough for the first tour, maybe 2 tours. Wow. Where are we? I feel like I'm going into a campground or something. Does he live here? Wow. Oh boy, I'm not sure. I gotta keep an eye on these trees here, the low-hanging ones. Okay, yeah, I'm serious. This is not good. I don't mind it if they're just little branches that are not very big, that can't really, like that sort of just brush across. But if I ever see here any big ones, thicker than like 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, then I run the risk of damaging my vents up top or my AC or even my solar panels. Like, look at this one here. This is close. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Usually if you see, look at the bottom, and if it's moving while you're going by, you know it's touching up top. And here's the lake that we're beside. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my God. I might come back here. What lake is this? I'd love to know. Oh man, this is amazing. I'm coming back here. Okay, we're here. This is gonna be snug. I should just get out and go and ask them where they want me. You know? Because I might have to turn around. Don't know which house I'm at. Or maybe it could be that one. I don't know. I'll go knock on the door. Okay, so this is called STOCO Lake. Got a beach. Beautiful house by the water. Wow, look at this. Look at the rocks. Isn't that great? Canoes, paddleboard. Okay, I'm home. I'm home. This is awesome. I love this. I'd have to get the drone up.